Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I created this blue floral design. It's perfect for spring and this nice blue gives a nice pop. So I'm using glass half full. It's one of my top picks for spring. And here I have 2 coats of that on all my nails except for 2 coats of Blanc on the nail while I'll be doing the design. And I'm going to be using these brushes today, my thin Winstonia brush and my one brush that I have from a craft store that's a little bit more squared. Okay, let's get into the design. So I'm getting glass half full with that bigger flat brush, and I'm going to paint on these little flowers, one here at the top that's not completely showing, it goes off the edge a little bit, and then one that really goes off the edge and you're only going to see a few of those petals. And then I'm going to come in with that same brush and go over that if I need to do a second coat and fill in these spots. As you can see, I'm dabbing my brush around. I don't want the petals to be perfectly circular because I think it gives it a more realistic look. So now I'm coming in with Viva Antigua by Essie, and it does have a little bit of sparkle. It's this nice turquoise, and I'm going to do a full flower here, and as you can see, I'm going to have to come back and do a second coat on that, which is fine. And I'm going to do another flower here that's completely a full flower. This nice sparkly polish is nice because when you put the top coat on, it does have a little bit of sparkle that shines through. Now I'm coming in with Taj Ma Haul by Essie, and I'm going to do a few orange flowers here. And then I'm going to come in with this pink. This is Excuse Me Big Sir. And I did get a little too much paint on my brush, but that's okay, that happens. You can use your nail to kind of swipe that off. And then I'll come back in here in a minute after I do this petal to do some cleaning with my brush and some acetone. That's a really nice trick for cleaning things up. You just want to make sure when you're swiping you go away from your nail, or else you'll drag that color onto the white. Okay, now I just wanted to create my own kind of custom color. So I have Mistletoes and Off Tropic by Essie. And I mixed those two together to get this kind of color that I wanted. Not quite green, but not quite blue. And I'm going to do some petals here on a few of the flowers. Just make sure you're doing a few. You want to make sure you can see that white background. And so I'm probably just going to do 4 or 5 of these little leaves here. Now I'm going to use my dotting tool, and I'm going to do that pink color on all the orange flowers, just a little dot, and then I'm going to come in with the orange color on the pink with my little thin striping brush here, and I'm going to do this kind of a center. So it's not a circular center, it's going to have these little lines going out from the center towards all the petals. So I'm going to do that for all the pink flowers, and the one that's in the corner I probably won't do one because there's not a center of that showing. And now I'm going to come in with my white and do a center on these turquoise flowers. I don't want it to be circular either, so I'm going to just do a few little dots until I get it the shape that I want it. Come back in with my custom color that I created and do these little centers that have these lines going back and forth. So it's kind of fun to do the petals with, or the flowers with different centers. It makes it more interesting. And then with that same color, I'm going to come in with my brush and do these tiny little dots in the center till I fill in the white completely. Not with those dots touching, of course, but completely fill up the center with dots that are spread out. And that's the last detail. Details are really what makes your nail art stand out. It really makes a difference. So you're going to make sure that you have that completely dry before you come in with your fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow. And that's the final look. I hope you guys like this design. It's so fun for me to do florals for spring. I just can't get enough of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.